How to post on Instagram. I am Sandra, and in today's guide video, I'll show you how to post video on Instagram. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, please make sure to like and subscribe. And without any further ado, let's get started. To connect with your audience and improve, it's just as important to do it right. Here are the steps to posting to your Instagram account. Step 1. To add something, tap the plus sign at the bottom of the screen. Just clicking on the plus symbol will bring you to the next stage of the process. Step 2. Choose a photo or video from your library to take one directly within the app. This step allows you to see saved videos and pictures from your mobile device. You can utilize them or you can click the camera icon within the Instagram app to shoot a photo or video. Step 3. Upload your image. Are you aware that Instagram allows multiple image uploads? All of them can be highlighted using the carousel feature. Step 4. Crop the image on Instagram. You aren't required to stick to the standard square format. It's possible to show up both horizontal and vertical photos. Pinch the image you've chosen in the library to see more of it. Step 5. Pick a filter. Instagram offers a wide variety of filters. You can scroll and choose a filter that's right for you. Step 6. Edit your photo. You can also click Edit at the bottom right to adjust the image to your specifications. You can edit the brightness, contrast, structure, warmth, saturation, color, fade, highlights, shadow, vignette, tilt shift, and sharpen. Step 7. Type your caption. Play with emojis and use hashtag. If someone does a search of a hashtag you place in your caption, they might find your post as well as others that included the same one. Step 8. Tag friends. If you want to tag your friends, you can use @ symbol in your caption. Step 9. Add your location. If you wanted to share a beautiful place to the world, you can click Add Location. Step 10. Share the post on the other social media platforms. If you want to share your post to other social media sites, simply toggle the button from left to right. When you're ready to post it, click Share. So, this is the way on how to successfully upload photos on Instagram. We hope this video is really helpful. And if it did help you, make sure to like or subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any questions and clarifications, make sure to leave it down in the comment sections. Thank you for watching.